What's up, electric vehicle builders? Welcome to the garage. Here in the table, you may recognize from the previous video with the battery troubleshooting tutorial. This is the same skateboard. This belongs to our friend Chris, who recently put on some LBs. I mean, he says it's all muscle, but we all doubt it. To beef it up, here's what's gonna happen. The motors will be upgraded to a bigger 6374, more powerful motor from original 5055. We're gonna get thicker double kingpin trucks for better maneuverability. Lastly, we increasing the wheel size from 80mm wheels to 110mm wheels with different gear ratios. All right, let's see how this turns out.
Oh no, oh no, I got to go to ride on the wailing time, but it's a oh no, oh no.
There's a problem. Trucks came in with 10mm axles. I do not have any spacers that are 10mm for bearings or for axles, so I had to make some. I had to use a 12mm aluminum rod and 10mm drill bit to make some spacers.
The foundation was laid, then Noah began to hew and build. The ringing of the hammer cried judgment, the hewing of the saw cried sin and repent. 100 years he hammered and sawed, filling the ark by the grace of God. When the ark was done, God's voice was heard. He said, now Noah, let me tell you what to do. Calling the animals 2 by 2, so he called them in the ark. 2 by 2, he called the birds, the ox with the kangaroo. Then he called and jump back to Ham and Shem. Then God began to flood the land. He raised his hands to heaven on high, shook the stars and
Crank goes down for Chris's
hit the wind to his chariot wheel. He stepped on land, stood on the shore, and they clapped that time. It wouldn't be no more.
See, got Jason up here in the shop helping me out. No half-thumb Joe today. And we got a problem here. As we're pivoting with the rear truck, the motors will hit the deck. Therefore, slight cutting of the deck is a must. Let's get that on the way, underway, whatever. Underwear. Up next, wheel job. What do you say, wheel job? What is that? I'm gonna replace wheels. 80mm will be replaced with 110mm, and this 110mm wheel, in order to drive this skateboard, needs some attachments. So 40 tooth 5 amp pulley and the pulley retainer both need to be sanded and processed because they're hot off the printing press. Let's do it.
Let's take some time and think for a minute. What's going on? And are we with it? I got the phone call away, but if no one calls, it's another day. How can I explain to you what I feel and what is true? And how can I do my best? How do you? How do you? I hear the things that people say. Don't believe, 'cause it's not that way. see, I believe in the truth. Of you. Of you.
I'm not liking this enclosure, and I'm gonna fix this. Yeah, that's up next. Tuck the ESC back in with Stacy's help and covered it. For now, I'm going to use the original battery and see how it does. The 12S might be a little too much for this board setup. It doesn't need to go that fast. It's more of a carvy ride than fast ride. Up next, let's put motors on this truck and see how it all goes together. Let's throw these guys on. Should be pretty easy, right?
Just like the Lone Ranger, Sweetback knows how to get it done right. Cut off the phone, turn on the red light. Please me like you did before. Roll on your belly, let me hit the back door. Work that thing till you hear the bells ring. I don't hear no fat lady singing, but it's on like that and a lot more. When you give it to me, yeah, give it to me raw. I love the freaky little things that you do.
Hello, there's a little problem. Motor wires are a little too short to reach the vest, so we're gonna have to do some wire extending. Stay tuned. Gotta give this thing a test before we make this all finished and beautiful, like Joe. What's up, Joe? What are you doing up here in the